Today we're going to make chili chicken restaurant style with gravy. For that we need chicken which is cleaned and cut into small pieces. Then we need oil, we need ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder, salt, corn flour, maida and white vinegar and 2 eggs. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and we're going to take some 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder. Now, next we're going to take 2 teaspoons of salt. Then we have to mix it. Mix it very well. Now we have to put 2 teaspoons of white vinegar and again mix it thoroughly. Now after we mix, add 2 eggs into this. Then mix it all very well after getting the egg. Tablespoon of corn flour. And we need 5 tablespoons of maida. Now we add oil with it. And we mix it thoroughly. Once marinated, keep it for 2 hours to get set the mix into chicken. Green capsicum, 1 green capsicum, 2 onions and some spring onions. The gravy of chili chicken, we need ginger garlic paste, chili powder, tomato paste, salt, soya sauce and white vinegar. Cut the big onions into medium-sized pieces. So we need to cut the white part and the green part different. Chop the green part of the spring onions and white part separately into very nice pieces. Cut the green capsicum into medium pieces after removing seeds and inner parts. So the vegetables are ready to cook. So we're going to make the gravy for the chili chicken. So we need 1 cup of water, and we need 4 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, mixing very well. Now after mixing well, we put 2.5 tablespoons of corn flour, and again mix well. Now all the ingredients are ready. So first we're going to deep fry the marinated chicken.
Keep the deep fried chicken aside. We will start making chili chicken masala now.
First we have to add oil in the pan. Then we have to add the white part of the spring onions. So we're going to add the onions that we cut before and the capsicum. And we're going to mix it thoroughly. So now we're going to add 3 chili that's cut. But before we add it, we have to mix it very well because it will be thick. So we have to mix it very well. Then we're going to pour it in.
Add the deep fried chicken pieces into this mix and stir it well.
Now we're going to add the green onion springs that we cut before at the last and mix it very well. And the chili chicken is ready.